Morning, boys and girls. This one is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to try and make a small vlog, I think. With a first, be one of a kind, it will. So it's a nice random day, weekend, beautiful and sunny. Just met up with my mate and gonna do something exciting today. Gonna be going for a wheelie day. Gonna pop some wheelies today because I can't do any. This tire warning pressure keeps popping up because I dropped the pressures recently. I was doing my absolute head in. So I think what I'm gonna do is bring it up to 32 at the back, which I believe should stop the bloody thing going in panic mode. I don't think it's working. Let it scream warning, all she needs. Let her cry. Yeah, chuck tire pressure again. Righto, let's go, pal. Looks as like gonna be a busy day for the bikers today. It's really nice. It's not that warm. It's probably around 20 degrees now. Go for a coffee quickly before the day starts. It's gonna be an interesting day because these guys in wheelie days, they have different setup completely to the other ones I've seen online. They've got like stabilizers on the bike. So it should fairly be easy, and I should really learn how to do these nasty ones with the hands down and all sorts. The other ones, you can see they haven't got the stabilizer. You're still gonna rely really on your brake control and everything in case you loop it. These ones you can pretty much, you know, train to find the balance point. Rather than pop wheelies in high speed, you can just control the speed in low gears and low speed and just basically work the brake. Because in these big bikes here, you know, I can never really risk to bring this bike to a balance point. I'll be honest with you, it's just too much of a risk. If you loop it, if you this, if you that, especially that I never really used to pop good wheelies anyway. I just rely on the bike power. Just keep the nose down. Problem is you pick up speed with these types of wheelies. Well, yeah, hopefully today we can improve our wheeling skills. You gotta be careful with the popos, man. There's bloody popos everywhere today. Put it in cruise control and just chill. Oh man, anyone got an issue with this stupid car though? This car door is on mine on its own again. Opening the radio, calling people. I'm done with this car though. Think I might need an upgrade into the new car door edge. I hope they sorted all this rubbish. I have a feeling I'm gonna lose this camera today. I just noticed it popped off its clip. I just recently started to use these ND filters. I've got the Hero 8, and these ND filters, if you can see, they are called something Pro, I think, I can't remember. But they're magnetic, they just slot in. I already lost two because they're shit. They literally fly by the wind. I paid 80 quid for them. And they're so old now you can't even get space. Wow, look at that. What the hell? It's absolutely packed. We won't be able to park the bikes. Yeah, nice one, mate. Black number plate. Yeah, keep going, Angad, otherwise we'll be stuck here. Watch for a car to pop in front of you. Wow, I've never seen it that busy here. It's ridiculous. Wait, say hi to Google. Is it Google or tax? Oh, that was an HP4 carbon. Wow, it's a nice bike. If there's space behind that Beamer, just go behind it, but I don't think there is.
First, yeah? So put your foot in the back brake. Just get to feel where the biting point is on that clutch with a little bit of throttle. Try using 2 fingers.
Okay. Yeah.
Right, so what we need you to do now is if you're going to pull off a set of lights, we're on a hill. So we just want you to feel it with a little bit of throttle with the clutches and then let go of the back brake and the clutch at the same time.
Yeah.
Stop, then go again. Let go of that clutch. There you go, now we're going, that's it.
Oh.
Not too much throttle.
Sorry about that.
Try and stay inside the box as well. Go back to a set of traffic lights now.
Okay.
So I said about releasing that clutch and the foot brake. Imagine you're on a set of traffic lights and it's red, amber, green. When I say green, I want you to go for it, right?
Right. Do you dump the clutch though, do you?
Yeah, jump the clutch. Red, amber, green. There we go. See how it popped up?
Yeah, yeah.
That's what we want.
But I won't. It will stall though.
Well, we're trying not to stall. So if you know it's gonna, just because you're learning the pop and now, as soon as you let go, just pull it back in now.
Okay.
Right, one more of them. Go on, keep going.
Keep going this way.
There you go. That's it. Right, turn it nice.
I don't want to kill it, but honestly, every time it stalls, I feel so bad.
Ultimate throttle. A little bit less throttle. That again. Right. That again. When you're ready, same again. Try and hold that throttle though steady. Instead of up, we just want
Okay.
one initial pull and then just hold, okay? Too much throttle. Yeah, that's what I just said.
What?
Just said to try and keep the throttle open a little bit.
Yeah.
Like I was saying, don't flip it. He's just basically saying what I was saying.
Right on.
Try and keep that throttle nice. Once you get it to the revs, just hold your wrist there, okay? Don't want you to kill the throttle like you are, so
Keep going.
what you're doing, but just hold it steady.
Or do you want me to keep going? Or do you want me to bring it down?
Keep it going now if you can.
Right on.
And everything, once you get up there, just bring it down with the back brake, okay?
Right on.
There you go.
It's in my head.
It's good though, because you've already understood what it takes to get it up. So once we can just steady that throttle out, we'll get you wheelie in no time.
Right on.
That's a good start, that is. Well done.
This is my second run. I'm getting a little bit of a grips with this now. See how we get on. Good to go? Big boy now, is it? I did? I will try.
When your wheel gets to head height, just back out of it ever so slightly. So instead of hitting the pads, you just give them a little kiss. What Drew's saying is, to start, we want you to get it to the pad, and then it's easier to control from there. So just practice getting a good launch, and then just feathering it a little bit.
Okay.
Kind of like chase it as well, when it's coming down, like flap, 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 just make it nice and smooth.
It's a little bit different, this one.
Speed it to the fit, speed it out to the biting point, and then we'll...
It's almost like it's cutting off at low, very low speeds.
Under one pad, this is going to go fucking way past where it's going now.
hours. Completely different, man, isn't it? Brand new, man. Breakdown. Hey.